Welcome to Hi.exchange, an online platform to exchange your cryptocurrencies and digital currencies. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to exchange AdvCash to PayPal USD. As you enter the main platform, select AdvCash, type in the desired amount for the exchange, then you can see how much you receive on your order. Click on the exchange button to head to the next step. Here, you need to enter your PayPal account, your AdvCash wallet address, as well as your email address. Remember that typing your phone number is optional, but there are benefits for those who sign up on HiExchange. For example, you can stay ahead of the latest deals and offers. Having done that, click on the exchange button one more time. On the third step, you can see the information regarding your order. Complete the CAPTCHA and click on the exchange button one more time to head to the last step. Alright, here you have every single detail regarding your exchange. You can see your order status, our terms of service. Please dedicate some time to read the information. You will also have a track ID. Click on I agree to terms, then click on Pay Order to go to AdvCash Gateway in order to make the payment. When you made the payment, you will be redirected back to HiExchange and you can see your order status. When you copy and paste your track ID in the dedicated section, you can see at which point your transaction is. Thank you for choosing HiExchange.